In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and redeem PayPal gift cards. First, open your web browser and head to paypal.com. Sign in from the top right corner using your account credentials. If you're brand new to PayPal, take a moment to create an account before moving on. It's quick, and you'll need it to manage your payment methods. Before we dive in, here's an important note. PayPal doesn't provide a direct automatic way to redeem a PayPal branded gift card straight into your PayPal balance. That said, you still have two reliable ways to spend those funds. The first way is to use the gift card during online checkout at stores that accept PayPal. Shop as you normally would, and when you're ready to pay, choose PayPal at checkout. Inside PayPal, select your gift card as the payment method. If it isn't already listed, you can add it during checkout. Complete your purchase, and the amount will be charged to the gift card until its balance runs out. A few tips here: make sure the card is an eligible prepaid or gift card like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover. Keep a small cushion on the card for taxes, shipping, or temporary authorizations, and ensure the card has an associated billing zip code if the merchant requires it. The second way is to link the gift card to your PayPal wallet so you can use it across PayPal payments. From your dashboard, go to Pay and Get Paid and select Wallet. In Wallet, open Banks and Cards, then choose Link a Card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code carefully, and make sure everything matches the card details. Some card issuers require you to set a billing address or zip on their website first, so it's worth checking if the link doesn't go through. Once linked, you can select the gift card as your payment source whenever you pay with PayPal. In some regions and with certain cards, you may also see an option to move available funds into your PayPal balance. If that option appears, follow the on-screen prompts. If not, simply use the card as a funding method at checkout. Before you wrap up, review your activity and wallet to confirm transactions and balances are correct. If a payment is declined, double-check the remaining balance, card details, and any address requirements. Keep the card until all charges or refunds are fully settled. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.